Good afternoon, guys. We are standing since the last 45 minutes. There's some kind of protest going on, road protest of SFI. We are standing here for the last 45 minutes, and you can see one more tram has also arrived for Shyambazar, which is waiting in the opposite side. This SFI is doing all kinds of shits, resulting in blockage of trams. Police is also present here, but they are doing nothing. Police is also not supporting us. They have blocked the roads. Let us go towards that tram. বন্ধ এসি ট্রামে ছিলাম, মিছিল চলছে এসএফআই এর মিছিল চলছে, কি জানি। Finally, after so many requests, they have made way for our tram. But for this inconvenience, what would you like to say? I don't know how much time will this one has to wait, but I know that the police gave us way for this tram, and I'm hoping so that this tram will also get its way faster.